اوكي اهلا. هذه اول مرة اجرب لايف ستريمينج بالفيسبوك وباليوتيوب at the same time. ف I'm just checking if it's working, if everything is okay. So yes, I'm live now on YouTube. Yes, that's evident. And as for Facebook, it says action needed. Your keyframe rate is too low. So hopefully I'm loud enough for people to hear me. Needed your keyframe rate. Yes, it's good. Okay, so I guess I can't edit this in Facebook, but I can in YouTube. But anyway, let's just have fun with Excel, because why not? Okay, I'm going to zoom in and hopefully it's clear. I'm checking both in YouTube. Yes, it is somewhat clear. On Facebook as well. Yeah, it's definitely clear. Well, now I'm going to share with you how to have the total, the average, the maximum, and the minimum of those three tests. Okay, so the first and the second and the third test out of 10 each. So the total should be out of 30. And to add the formula to count the total of each of those students, first of all, the first thing you need to do is to write equal. So once you write equal, you start your formula. So equal and then sum. Okay, so you have it equal sum, and then you open parentheses. The first thing you need to do is to add 7 plus 8 plus 7. So the first, second, and third test. How to do this is either you write the cell title or the number of the cell of each of those cells, or you could just drag it with your mouse. First of all, let's just write the cell number. So 7, it's A2. So it's A2. All right, A2. And then I need second and third. And to do this, you just add colon, and then it means from 7 till, so from the first test till the third. The third test is C. I hope you really can see it. Going to zoom in a bit more. Yeah, so the C2. C2. So it's C2. That's it. You can see it's all shaded now because you're going to add the total of those three cells. And then you close the parentheses and you press enter. Okay, so this student, he scored 22 out of 30. Let me check. I don't have my microphone today with me, so hopefully my voice, the sound is okay. So this student, he scored 22 out of 30. And you can now drag this till the very end. So you press it here and you drag it. Oops. So again, you press and you drag. Let me do it. You press it. Okay, you press and then you drag till the end. And now once you release, it shows you the total or the sum of each of those students' first, second, and third tests. You can tell those three students, they scored the full mark, 30 out of 30. Okay, sometimes you would like to know the average of one of those tests. Let's go to the second test. I want to know the average of the class. So as a whole, what is the average out of 10? So to do this is you have to press equal, and then you have to write the average. So AV average, yes. And then you open parentheses. Now, to count the average, I need from the first cell in the second test till the last cell. So the first cell is B2. There you go. So it's B2. You either write it or just click on it with your mouse. I clicked on it and then I'm going to drag it till the end. So from B2 till B13. Now I will close the parenthesis and press enter. Ooh, that's a very high mark. So the average of the second test is 8.6, almost 8.7. Okay, so my question, was that an easy test? I mean, it must be, because this is a very high average. Okay, so now you know how to do the sum and the average. I'm going to end the stream now, because this was just a trial to see if it works. I'm using OBS, by the way, and it's really cool because now I could link Facebook to YouTube if I want to do some streaming or whatever. Yeah, that was fun. Okay then, well, see you later.